Welcome. If you're looking to keep your Facebook activity a little more private, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to hide your following list on your Facebook page using your PC, all updated for the latest Facebook interface. Let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select your page. This will take you directly to your Facebook page. Once you're there, click on your page's profile photo again. This will open up your page's main profile area. Now, look for the menu on the left side of the screen. Scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. Click on it, and then select Settings from the next menu that appears. Within the Settings menu, find and click on Follower and Public Content. This section controls who can see the people, pages, and lists you follow. Here, you'll see an option labeled Who can see the people, pages, and lists you follow. Click on it. A few privacy options will pop up. To keep your following list completely private, select Only Me. This means that only you will be able to see the people, pages, and lists you follow, no one else. Once you've made your selection, click Done to save your changes, and that's it. You've just hidden your following list from everyone else on Facebook. Now you can browse and follow pages or people without worrying about others seeing your activity. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest tips and tricks for staying safe and private online. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.